Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver or a gig worker and you want to get guaranteed pay every single time you go out and drive, there's this new app called Solo, and when you use the link below to sign up, they're actually just going to give you $10 simply for trying out the app, totally for free, anywhere in the country. It's free to sign up, and you can get access to mileage tracking, expense tracking, help with your taxes. This awesome app Solo, you can download it right now, get 10 bucks, and again, get access to guaranteed pay. Let's get started with the video.
A driver shortage has been driving up Uber prices. CEO, I don't know how to pronounce his name.
Dara
says.
Khosrowshahi.
Khosrowshahi?
Yeah, good job.
Oh, Chicago will likely be a bigger and bigger part of Uber's workforce.
Guys, please keep the chat appropriate.
What does the chat say?
Gosh. How old are you guys? Okay. Chicago will likely be a bigger and better part of Uber. Did you already read that?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
Oh.
I should pay attention to my own, to what you have to say, too. I just usually listen to myself talk. I'm just joking. So, yeah, look at this, guys. Let's get to the juicy part of this. Uber made his comments during a conversation with Foot Locker CEO Mary Dillon. Great name. That's a really good name. Before the Economic Club of Chicago Thursday evening. Uber's benefiting from a shift in spending away from retail and purchase of goods towards services. Our business in Chicago is booming. Oh, here we go. You want to read that part?
Partly behind the shortage of drivers was a shift during the pandemic toward delivering food. Some drivers have been slow to return to transporting passengers because of safety concerns. Oh, so there's been a rise in carjackings?
Oh, yeah.
Chicago?
And nationwide.
Oh. I didn't know that.
Has anyone ever jacked your car?
Not my car. No.
You said that there's more to that story.
Well, it was my mom's car, but some of my things were in there.
What was in there?
I had a suitcase, but the only thing that was stolen.
You have money in there?
Some shoes.
You have money in there?
No.
What was in there?
My shoes got stolen.
What kind of shoes?
They're these custom Air Forces.
I know you wearing your fancy shoes. Dang, that's crazy.
It wasn't anything important. They weren't very important, so it was fine.
Okay. So there you guys have it. Driver shortage has been driving up Uber prices. But my response is, but does that mean more pay for drivers? Or is that just meaning passenger prices are going up? Because shouldn't it be correlated?
It should be. But all they care about is the company. How much does the company make or the CEO make?
Yeah, look at this, guys. You guys know Uber CEO net worth. Look at this. Take a gallon. Oh, the old CEO was worth $2.6 billion. Let's look at Dara Khosrowshahi. $53 years old. Oh, he was born in Iran. 250 mil. He's just worried about getting this up to $1 billion.
Yeah, that's what it seems like.
Of course he formerly served on the board of the New York Times. I'm not surprised by that. He also sits on the board of Hotels.com and Bet.com. This guy's money hungry. He doesn't even care about drivers. He's on the board of directors for like 25 different companies.
We should have a vote, like let drivers vote him off.
Literally.
Or start a petition.
Like, he was literally the CEO of Expedia Group, an online travel shopping company. Like, you know what I mean? It's just like he's just hopping around company to company. Like, it's not like he really cares about Uber. He just cares about making money.
Yeah, he just wants to be the CEO.
Yeah, and he's just how can we make our company more profitable? He's not for the drivers, guys. Like, literally, this is proof in the pudding. He was a CEO of Expedia. He's also on the board of directors of Hotels.com and Bet Talk. What is BET? Is this BET?
Like the BET Awards?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, BET. So yeah, it's an entertainment show. Entertainment channel. He's the highest paid CEO on the planet. Oh my god. He earned $94 million in 1 year. He earned another $90 million in 2016. Oh gosh.
That's crazy.
In 2 years, this dude made almost $200 million, guys. I'm sorry, but like, this guy does not care about drivers getting more pay. Okay. Sorry, we just roasted the CEO for like 5 minutes, but we're moving on.